comment here. Okay, I will record. I am recording in order to explain you. Okay, we have here, you have the ideas. That is excellent. You can say when, yeah, a and an, a and an. And as the book says, we use these ones for singular. For singular, please. A and for singular. Now, when do we use a and? When do we use a and? Okay, great. It was clear. It says, I don't know if it was Rodrigo, consonant sound, okay? Before a consonant sound, a, an. We use before a consonant sound. A consonant sound means that you have to obey, means obedecer, to a consonant sound. That means if this letter has a consonant sound, you have to use an. Or in this case, if this letter has a consonant or vowel sound, you have to use depending on the sound. It depends on the sound. It depends on the sound. If that letter is consonant or vowel sound. If it is consonant sound, you use a. A. If it is vowel sound, you use an. Okay, if it is consonant sound, you use a. If it is vowel sound, you use an. How I will notice? Pronunciation is important in that part. So, apple, apple. It is vowel sound. Apple, apple. Vowels, okay? So, this is a vowel, this is a vowel, this is a vowel, this is a vowel, okay? Those are vowels. You have to try to listen if it is a vowel sound. An apple. It's a vowel sound, okay? An apple. No, it's not a consonant sound, okay? So, but if it is consonant sound, for example, cell phone, it's a consonant sound. Because it is consonant sound, that letter. And as this letter is a consonant sound, what do you need? You need before you need article a. A cell phone. Similar, pen, pen, it's consonant, pen. The sound is consonant. So that's why you have to use a pen. O, orange. O, it's a vowel sound. Okay, O, it's a vowel sound. You use, if it is a vowel sound, you need an orange. Both of them are singular, both, ambos, singular. Okay, orange. Pencil, a pencil. Here, eraser, E, it's a vowel sound. You need an eraser. A car, a chair, a. Now let's pay attention to the sound. Is it a university or is it an? Which one?
An.
Now pay attention to the sound of this letter. Is it is university or is it is university? What is the correct pronunciation? University, university vowel or university?
University.
University.
¿Qué cosa?
Listen.
University. University.
Okay, generally you can see on your dictionaries, okay, the pronunciation and the pronunciation are in bars, okay, está en barras, okay, the pronunciation. So maybe you doubt, I don't know. You can ask your dictionary, pronunciation or the writing pronunciation, okay? In writing pronunciation in American, for example, this is the correct pronunciation. Similar like this, I am trying because it's phonetic writing, okay? Yeah, and you know this letter in English, this letter is mentioned how that is J, right? J, with this Ju, okay? Do you remember? J, that is the pronunciation of this letter, J, okay? And in the words with that vowel, it's Ju, okay? That's why here I wrote, this is phonetic writing, okay? So you have similar on your books, okay? Or maybe they will use another symbol in place of this. But the pronunciation is university. It is not without this, like this. Phonetics writing is not that, like that, okay? So that's why it's not an. It is consonant sound. It has consonant sound. It is not vowel sound. This is consonant sound, and because of consonant sound, you need a. Because of consonant sound, you need a. University. That's why our friend said you have to obey to consonant sound or vowel sound. No, it's not just because consonant, because vowel, and no. You have to obey, obedecer to the sound. What is the sound?
University.
That is a sound. How do you listen? How do you hear? That is the sound. Okay, that is. And dictionary will help you. That is phonetic writing in bars. They are using a slash or bars in order to tell you that is the pronunciation. So, okay, good. Let's continue. For that reason, it is a university. Okay. Now, a pencil, no problem. Pencil, it's consonant. Here, what's the correct pronunciation? Listen, house or house? House or house? What's the correct pronunciation? Hello? House or house?
House.
A house.
A house.
Yeah, thank you. So that way you use, look at, it is a, it has, this H has a consonant sound, consonant sound. So that's why we use a and not an, because it's not house, it's house, house. But if I have here, what about this? I want you to use, can you? Add please a or an. No.
Our is a hour. Airport is a high.
Yeah. Hello, volunteers. What's the pronunciation for this word?
Rodrigo, teacher.
Rodrigo, do it.
Whole y sería whole.
Thank you, Rodrigo. This one. Do it.
Honest man.
Honest man. A honest man.
Is it okay?
Me, teacher.
Okay, me, do it.
An airport.
Do you agree, everybody?
Honest man.
Okay, now listen to me. Listen to me. What's the correct pronunciation for this word? It is hour.
Hour.
Hour. Hour. Hour. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 24 hours. Hour. Listen. Honest man. Honest man. Airport. Airport. So, for this reason, hour, it is an hour. Honest man, an honest man, an airport. You know, it is very important to notice that if it is vowel or consonant, sound, please. In this case, it's necessary to write H, but not pronounce. The pronunciation is hour, an hour, but not in this case. In this case, it's necessary to pronounce H, is house. It's pronounced, it is consonant, house. It is a house. In this case, no, it is hour, an hour. Honest, an honest man. Airport, vowel sound, an airport. Okay, that is very important, please, to be careful. You have to obey to the sounds, okay? Obey to the sounds. It's not just because it's vowel, and because it's, because it's consonant, and because it's a vowel. No, sound, it's the clue. And if you don't know, ask your dictionary, okay? Good. What else do we have here? And also we have regulars, not regulars. Let me please. Now I will talk a little of plural. Plural forms. Okay, plural forms. Plural forms. Plural forms. When we use plurals, in order to change a noun, okay, we're talking about nouns, okay, nouns into plural. Nouns into plural. What do we need? What do we need to pluralize nouns? What do we need? We need some suffix. Okay, suffix. And those suffixes are okay. And other suffix, as you notice here, it says to form most plurals add. Add. What does add mean? Add. What does add mean? Hello, can you listen?
Yes, teacher. Aviso.
No.
Sufijo.
No. It's different. It's different.
Maybe añadir.
Adicionar.
Yeah, thank you. That is, it's different. It is add. It's not, the other is add. Add, add. Okay, good. Yeah, and it says to form plurals, add. What you're gonna add? A suffix, yes. A suffix that is s or es or ies. Those are suffixes when we use in order to pluralize some nouns. Some nouns. Okay? Nouns into plural, add suffix. Es, ies. I will tell you rules. Okay? Rules to add es, ies. So, rule 1, okay? Rule 1, okay? Add. What you're gonna add? Okay? To nouns. Add to nouns. In general, to most of the nouns, we're gonna say. To most of the nouns. Okay? For example, singular is singular, we have an apple. Okay, singular is an apple. Singular, an apple. Plural, its plural is apples. Okay, another we have, what do we have? Camera, a camera. Plural, cameras. One more example, we have jacket, a jacket. Plural, jackets. Apple's cameras, jackets. Apple's cameras, jackets. So do you know most we use okay with the nouns. What about rule 2? Rule 2 says add es, add es if the noun ends in. Now pay attention. When do you use es? If the word ends in. Okay, add es if the noun ends in x, s, z, o, sh, ch, x, s, z, o, ch, sh. If the noun ends in one of these letters, what you have to do? Add es. Example. We have examples. So, example, singular, a watch. Singular, we have a watch. Plural,
Watches.
watches. Example, we have a
Box.
box. Thank you. Plural,
Boxes.
boxes. Example, we have a
Maybe fish.
yeah, okay. Potato, a potato. Plural, 1, 2, 3, potatoes. Example, we have a fish, no. Okay, we're not gonna coin. This is an irregular. It depends on the context, fish. Not all the time we can say fishes, no. It has another, it's an irregular exception noun. Okay, then I will explain that. Then we have a different with ending, a word ending with yeah, we can say a kiss. 1, 2, 3, 4 kisses. Okay, another with we have x, we have s, we have with z. What when we say with z? I don't remember in this moment. But what about this? With church, a church. Okay, ch, similar to watch. Church, charges. Okay, So what are we using? We are using depending on the ending, we are using es. It depends on the ending. So you have to pay attention, and what is the ending? You have to use. If it is X, es. S, es. Z, es. O, es. SH, SH, yes. CH, yes. Okay, there we have the endings. Okay. Kiss, kisses. Okay, so talking about nouns, plural of nouns, you have to memorize them, okay, in order to use es, es. Rule 3, rule 3. What is the rule 3? Rule 3, it says that, add, what you're gonna add? I-E-S, I-E-S, add I-E-S. Where? Add es if the noun ends, if the noun ends in y, if the nouns end in y, but or and it is preceded by a consonant, preceded by a consonant, use IES, IES, okay? Or change Y by I and add ES, okay? We can say also like that. By preceded by a consonant, we can say change. Change. What are you gonna change? Y. You're gonna change Y by I. Change Y by I, then add ES. Okay, that is rule 3. Examples. Examples. Examples, we have secretary, a secretary, plural, oops, secretaries, secretaries, secretary, secretaries. Another example, family, a family, plural, plural, families. Another example,
A university.
okay. A university, plural, universities. Okay, here you are. We are using in place of y, okay, in place of y. Oh no, I don't know what happened here. Yeah, in place of y, we are using I. And after I, okay, secretary, why we use, ¿por qué? Why do we use why? because it is preceded by a consonant. And the consonant is R. R. Here, Y is preceded by a consonant too. And the consonant is L. L. This is preceded by a consonant, and the consonant is T. That's the reason that we are using here. We change, we eliminate Y, and we use I. We change, as I said, we change, cambiar, okay? R, consonant, Y, it's preceded, so secretaries. After that, ES, secretaries. Family, the same, families. A university, universities. Okay, that is the 3 rules. Okay, we have 3 rules in order to use plural forms. 1, 2, 3. And at the same time, after this, we have irregular. Irregular plurals. Irregular plural forms. Irregular plural forms, when we talk about irregular plural forms, I want to tell you that not all of them we can use or es, or is, okay? Not all the time. Why? Because they are irregular, okay? They are irregular. For example, we have one irregular that is man, singular, a man, plural, plural, men. Another we have a woman, singular, plural, women. It's not possible you to say mans. No, it doesn't exist. They are irregular. We have a child, singular, plural, children. We have another, a foot, plural, feet. We have a tooth, plural, plural, teeth. We have singular, mouse, a mouse, plural, mice. Those are irregular nouns, irregular, okay? As you can notice, all the word changes. All the word changes from singular to plural, from singular to plural. Man, men, woman, women, child, children, feet, singular, foot, football, right? Plural, feet. Tooth, Bluetooth, Bluetooth. Singular, plural, tooth, teeth. Singular mouse, plural, mice. Okay, that is when we talk about irregulars. There are more, okay? That will be your homework. You're gonna search, investigate. We have exceptions, okay? Exceptions. Exceptions, okay? We have exceptions. For example, as exceptions, we have, I said, for instruments. Before this, okay? We have wife, and the plural of wife, it is wives. I have another half, and the plural of half, exceptions, okay? Singular, a wife. What does wife mean? Hello?
Esposo.
Yes. Okay. So on. And as you can see, look at esposo. No. It is not esposo. It is the opposite of esposo. Esposa. Wife. Wife. Wives. Wives. Okay. Turkish people, they have wives. In Bolivia, wife. Okay. Cheaters have wives, but honest man, he has a wife. Okay, but cheaters, wives, right? Half means mitad, halves. Okay, so exceptions. I have here chef, chefs. Fish will be in a different context. It's possible to say a fish, fishes, okay? Or just fish in general. Okay, it depends. It will be a fish, specific, fishes, it's possible. Or also it's possible fish, okay? And also we have, but it's not all the time, okay? You must be careful with this. Another we have, for instruments, okay? For instruments, I told you that if it ends in O, for example, piano, plural, singular, a piano, plural, pianos, pianos. Okay, when we talk about instruments, no, don't say no, because it is O and piano is, no, it is pianos. Okay, so, and there are more, but those are the most important. The 3 rules and irregular forms, exceptions for instruments, and so on. Any questions? Creo que se fueron.
No question.
No
Okay.
questions.